lot of these tulips I planted last year. Okay, so let's see what's in this box of bulbs from Rex. Catalogs and how to plant. These are called Eternal Spring. It's a bunch of small wildflowers. That's kind of nice. And here's crocuses. Crocuses are nice because they're like the first thing to come up every year. Here is 70 bulbs. There's 50 of these crocuses and 100 of the Eternal Spring. And here's 70 of these bigger tulip bulbs. And it's a mixture, so they're going to be coming up for different, instead of all coming up at the same time, these will be spread out through the year. And here's another one from K. van Bergen. And the same thing, the packing slip and catalogs. These are hybrid lilies. Looks like they got a lot of roots in there too. Looks like it's more than just a lily bulb. These are kind of nice because they all bloom at the same time, and so if you have a mass of them, it looks pretty good. Here's a wildflower mix again, another one. Here's more tulip bulbs. These are 100 all spring. So here's the things, like these are just regular tulips. It's like hundreds of them. And these are regular tulips also. And these are wildflowers and crocuses. 3 bags of wildflowers, naturalizing mixes. And this is lilies, hardy lilies, oriental hybrid lilies. And this is just some bulb food that came with it. So the next thing to do is pick out places for everything. I'm thinking right here in front of the house might be the best place for the small bulbs, like the wildflowers and the crocuses and everything. That's right over in here. Nice and noticeable because you can see it from the window. On both sides of this path would be a good place for the wildflowers too. The wildflowers are small, so you want to have some place where you're not so far away from them, looking at them from a distance. And last year I filled up this area here with a couple hundred tulips, and it really come out really nice in the spring. You didn't get to see those videos, you probably still can. So over here I've already got quite a few daffodils and things planted, but I think this is where I'm going to put the hardy lilies and the two little bags and open them up into one big bag, make this go quicker. I've heard a lot of other directions to say just to scatter them loose, and then go around and plant them wherever they fall. But I can't imagine how that works. You'd never find them where they went growth like this. So the pointed end is the top, and the other end is the bottom, the flat end. You can see the roots there coming out. So that's the top. Only a couple inches for these here. This side goes up, that side goes down. Put it in the hole, pull your spade out, push the dirt back in around them. I'm using this spade here because it's easier for this, because it's long and narrow and it's easy to get a nice hole for the bulbs. They need to be at least 5 or 6 inches deep. So just put your spade in and push it forward.